Are you curious about how your favorite BMW cars are made? Buckle up because we're diving into the factory. Welcome to the heart of innovation. At the BMW factory, every car starts with a vision and a whole lot of precision. Advanced robots and skilled craftsmen work hand in hand, bringing each BMW to life. From the first weld to the final polish, it's all about perfection. The assembly line is a symphony of technology and craftsmanship, with each part meticulously crafted and fitted. And those sleek interiors, they're tailored with care, making sure every stitch is just right. So next time you see a BMW on the road, remember, behind that sleek design is a world of high-tech magic and human touch. Pretty cool, right?